you can get it in the following manner. 45,
You
3
can get in
multiplied by
5 scalar.
3, then by 5. But are these three different prime numbers?
No.
No, because 3 is being repeated twice here. Let's talk about 60. How can I write it? 2, then 2, then 3, then 5. Right now? So is it a product of three different prime number?
No,
Obviously,
sir.
no. So you have to find it out which one. Meanwhile, let me open the assignment PDF. Then I will be able to address it out. Okay, now, Habib. Give me just 1 minute. Yeah. Meanwhile, you guys do the question. Maths. Let me fetch the assignment. Okay. Can you tell me which particular assignment, Habib? Tell me the submission date.
It is 27.
Okay. The latest one. Yeah, tell me the question number now. I have opened it.
It is question number. Wait a second. Yeah, question number 7. The smallest prime number is 2 because no, sorry.
What is
I
the
mean,
smallest prime number?
no, that not that question.
Then
This one. Question number 12. Jumpy needs to find a treasure 48
Hmm.
and 60. Find all jump
Hmm.
sizes that will help Jumpy reach both numbers.
Okay, this question you are finding difficult. Okay. Hold on.
Sir,
Yeah, Rafiz.
is in 105 there are
Hmm.
3 distinct prime numbers.
And that is
105.
okay. What are those three different prime numbers?
5, no, let's start with 3. 3
Hmm.
and 5 and 7.
3 and 5 and 7. Very good. 3
Yes.
5s of 15 and 15 sevens of 105. So there you go. You have the answer. Okay, good. Meanwhile, let me answer one of your doubt, Habib. The question, let me write down the question. So, Nafis, you will also participate in this. By the way, tomorrow you are having your review for this chapter fraction, right, Nafis?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you done all the questions from that chapter?
Which one?
From the chapter fraction, have you done exercises like 7.1, 7.2,
Yes,
and all that?
it's in my notebook.
It's there. Okay. Suppose if you have one or two questions particularly from that, you can ask here. Okay, no? If you have some questions, you can ask here. Okay. Yeah. So question here is, let me write down the question. Can you okay, let me see here. Jumpy needs Jumpy needs to find a treasure 48 and 60. Okay. So further find all jump sizes that will help Jumpy reach both numbers. Okay, that's the question. Reach both numbers. You also pay attention to the given question here, Nafis. Okay, so Jumpy needs to find a trace of 48 and 60. Find all jump sizes that will help Jumpy reach both the numbers. Okay, so what we can do? We have given.
I think so. We can do LCM.
We're going to find the common factors of 48 and
Yes.
60, right? We will find the common factors of both. So thereby, we will list down all the numbers that will divide 48 and that will divide 60, right? That will be their factors, and then we will identify the common factors. Okay, now?
Yes. Okay,
So
sir.
the numbers that will appear in the list of 48 and 60, right? So that will be our answer. That will basically help Jumpy reach both the numbers. Okay, now? So look
Yes, sir.
over here. So solution of this will be the so we have to find jump sizes
Sir, I found the
That will,
first 5 numbers. Can I tell them?
yeah, you can help.
1,
Hmm.
2, 4,
Hmm.
6, 8.
Very good. That will help him reach both numbers. So that will be simply the common factors of that. Okay. So first we will list down all the factors
Sir,
for 48
12 also.
and then 60. Yeah, 12 also. So list down the factors, both of you. For 48, first it is 1, then 2.
1,
Next.
2,
Hmm.
4,
What about
6,
3? 3 also.
3,
Hmm.
4,
Hmm. Yes.
6,
Habib, you also mentioned 6, 8,
8, 12.
hmm.
Till there I found.
16. 16 threes are 48.
Yes.
24, then 48. Habib, you will mention the factors of 60.
Factors of 60 are
Hmm.
1, 2,
Hmm.
3,
Hmm.
4,
Hmm.
5,
Hmm.
6, 8,
No.
um, mm, 10, 10,
Next. Nafis,
12,
you also mentioned
Uh, 13.
13. 13 fives are 65 and
Oh,
13
yeah.
fours are 52. No.
Sir, I know there is 20,
30,
but
No.
20.
Even before 20, you have numbers. You have a number.
yes,
18,
I'm trying to find it, sir.
18. 18 threes are 54 and 18 fours are 72. Where does 60 come?
mm,
What is 1/4 of 60? 1/4 of 60. 1/4 of 60 is 1/4 multiplied by 60. So that is 15, no? Like 15 is one of the factor. 15 fours are 60.
okay.
Okay, I'm assuming that you guys have forgot some of the tables. Hmm? And after 15, you'll be having 20. And after 20, you'll be having 30.
30.
And then
30.
finally 60. Okay.
Yes.
So basically the question was asking us that Jumpy needs to find a tracer 48 and 60. Find all the jump sizes that will help Jumpy reach both the numbers. Okay. So suppose that if he will be taking the steps, he will be taking jump of size, let us suppose of 5. Will he be able to reach the tracer 48 and 60 both?
Yes, maybe.
No, not maybe, no. Like suppose he takes one jump of how many number? 5, let us suppose. Another jump, again 5, again 5, again 5, and again 5, like this. Getting it now?
Yes.
Of 5 and 5. So you see here, after like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, and few more jumps, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So after
Sir, if
12
you
jumps of
did
5,
12
he will,
times,
then he will
if you
reach
did,
60,
yes.
right? But suppose, like, is he able to reach the tracer 48? He's taking jumps of 5, let's suppose. So
No, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 9 jumps, 9 fives are 45. Where does 48
Yes.
come? No.
I know.
But suppose if he had taken the numbers like 1, so after
Or 2.
48 and 60 jumps, he will reach the tracer. If he has taken 2, so after 24 jumps, he will reach 48, and after 30 jumps, he will reach 60. Getting how I
Yes.
am saying
Sure.
this? 2 30s are
Sure.
60, 2 24s are 48, like that. After 3 jumps, also. After 4 jumps, also. After 6 jumps, also. And after 8 jumps, no. Then, which next number after 12 jumps? So basically the common factors would be giving us the necessary required answer here. Getting it on both of you?
Yes, sir.
That was interesting but and a good question at the same time. Okay. So thereby the answers would be the common factors. So what are the common factors here? 1, 2, and 3. Next. Quick.
4,
And
6,
next.
12.
Then
That's it.
that's it. Right now. So thereby the answers will be the common factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and then 12. Okay. Clear enough to both of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which question we were doing? Yeah, this 10th question we are done with this, right now. So that is 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. So these are the 3 different prime numbers whose product is 105. Hence option, this question is correct. Option, this number is the required answer. Now 11th question here. So it's saying that how many 3-digit prime numbers can you make using each of 2, 4, and 5 ones? Yeah. So what do you guys say? How many can we make? By using these 3 digits, how much can we make? Let me give you some examples. Okay, now suppose I have taken in the question the numbers are 2, 4, and 5. I need to make 3-digit prime numbers using these digits. Let us start in the following manner: 2, 4, and 5. Right? We know that 245 it is divisible by 1, by 5, right? Now by 1 and by 5 also. So hence it is not prime by 245 also. So not prime. Next, suppose if I write 254, then again it is divisible by 2 now. Getting it, everyone?
Yes.
Divisible by 2.
It's basically an even number.
Right? So divisible by 1, by 2, by 254, right? By 127, etc. So hence not prime. So like this, you guys will try to find that if it is possible to make 3-digit prime numbers using 2, 4, and 5, like this: 245, 254, 452, 542,
So
524,
basically,
like
we
that.
have to find that they are prime numbers.
No,
That
you have to try to find out, like, can we make a 3-digit prime number using
oh,
these
okay,
or
okay,
not?
understand.
Is it possible or not? So try out all the possible combination. You guys do this. Let me get some water. Okay, now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'm back.
Yes, sir, I'm thinking.
You don't have to think. Rather than just thinking, you have to write down the numbers on the sheet of paper. Habib, I don't think you have a pen in your hand. Are you writing down anything or not? Why? You have to write down, just like I have written 245, 254. You also write down some of the numbers using these digits now. Then try to find out if they are prime or not. Always have a pen and a paper with you.
Yeah.
There is 425 a prime number.
4, 2, 5. No, it is divisible
No,
by
no,
5. No. If a number has 5 in the units place, then it is divisible by 5. Make it a habit that before the class, you guys keep everything with yourself. Pen, paper, pencil, whatever it is.
Yes, sir.
During the class, you should not sit up, get up and go to grab something.
So
Okay.
what should I do?
You have to write down, like the question is saying, how many 3-digit prime numbers can you make using each of 2, 4, and 5 ones. So some of the numbers I have written like 245, but I find out that it is divisible by so many numbers. It has multiple factors, so hence it is not prime. Then I tried out another possible combination, that is 254. So this is also not this is also divisible by so many numbers, so hence not prime. So like this, write down some other numbers and find out if they are prime numbers. Like you can write down 5, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, 4, 2, 5, or you can also write down 4, 5, 2, like this, and then think up about it, like are they prime numbers? Hmm?
Okay.
Okay, what about 452? Is it a prime number?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
No.
No, it is not.
524?
No,
No. 542?
no. I
What?
guess 425.
How?
Mm,
425. What are the factors of 425? Huh? Doesn't it have
no.
multiple
Yeah.
factors? It's
Yes.
divisible by 1, it's divisible by 5, it's divisible by 425, multiple numbers. So actually we come to the conclusion there are no such prime numbers that can be made using these digits 2, 4, and 5. Got it,
Yes, sir.
everyone? So
Yes,
that
sir.
is our answer. So hence, no prime numbers possible here. Okay, move on to the question number 12. All right. So observe that 3 is a prime number and 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 equals to 7 is also a
Oh,
prime
yes, I
number.
know this.
Okay, you know. Okay, tell us.
Okay, first we have to take prime numbers.
Hmm?
We can take 5. So 5, no, 2 into 5 plus 1 we have to do.
Mm-hmm.
And we will get 11.
11. Good.
And we can continue like this. 2 into 11 plus 1, that will be 23.
Hmm.
And 2 into 23 plus
Hmm.
1.
Very good. Good. So we know that 3 is a prime number. Okay, so 2
So
multiplied
that
by
will be
3.
47.
Hmm. Yeah. So 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1, that gives you 7. Okay. After 3, you have next prime number as 5. So when you multiply this by 5 by 2 and add 1, so you get 11. That is also a prime number. After 5, you have got which prime number? Which is the next prime number after
7.
5? You have got 7. So 2 multiplied by 7 plus 1. Right? So 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Now here we are having a bit of problem. Getting it? Okay. But there are things that in the question it is further mentioned also that uh, hmm, are
So,
there
sir, in
other
that time we
primes
have
for
to
which,
take 11.
yeah, they will take 11 actually. Hold on. Are there other primes for which doubling and adding 1 gives another prime? Like, so for 7 it is not possible, because when we double the 7 and add 1 to it, we don't get the prime number, we get 15 actually. But instead of 7, suppose if we take another prime number like 11, so yeah, it is possible. 2 multiplied by 11, 22 plus 1, that is 23. So that is also prime number. After
Yes, sir.
11 we have got, let's say, 13, right? No, but 2 multiplied by 13 plus 1, that gives you 27, which is not a prime number. Okay, so this one is not possible. So which one is possible now after 11? How about
15.
17? How about 17? 17 to the
Okay.
34, 34 plus 1, 35. No. After 17, how about 19?
19.
Two 19s are 38. 38 plus 1. Like 2 multiplied by 19 plus 1. Are we getting a prime number, Habib? Yeah, Habib. Are we getting a prime number? 219, so 38 plus 9 gives you 39. Is 39 a prime number? Anyone?
Yes.
No, sir.
How is it a prime number, Habib?
No. What did you ask?
I was asking, is 39 a prime number?
No, sir.
Okay. Habib, tell me by the way, do you have some workbook with you? Are you getting any, have you got any workbook other than NCERT? No.
Which workbook?
Maths workbook. Okay, forget about the workbook. All the other questions which we have done so far, okay, these questions, have you done it in your copy? Have you done them?
No, sir. But I prepared
Hmm.
for my review.
For your review, you prepared it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I did some of them of lines and angles.
Yes,
From
till
lines
end
and
of the
angles, you
chapter
done.
I learned.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, look, it is important. Like the thing is that suppose when the exams will be near, then you guys will be required to revise it at that time. And in your exams, usually questions would be asked from the textbook and not beyond the textbook. That is how it happens in most of the school. So what you guys will be doing, you guys will be solving all these questions in your copies. Okay. And if you find any question difficult to do, you will ask me in the class. Okay, Habib and Nafis. So from today onwards, you guys will start doing it in your copies. If someone has done it already, then they won't be doing it. But like Habib, if say you haven't done it, so you'll be doing it from today onwards. All right, no? Getting it.
Okay.
Hmm. Right now, your madrasa class is going on, or has it been paused?
No, going on.
Going on.
From June to there is
Hmm.
holidays. From June to.
Okay, 2nd of June there will be holiday. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the progress in the madrasa? What are the things you have learned so far? How many chapters have you hifzed?
9.
9 chapters. Oh, mashallah, that's good. Okay. So where were we at? This question, yeah. Yeah. So we are observing that 3 is a prime number and 2 multiplied by 3, that gives a prime number. So such that we need to find some other numbers also that should also give us a prime number. Okay, so hence we are getting 5, 11, and next we're talking about 19, but that is not possible. After 19, we have 23. So 2 multiplied by 23 plus 1, that gives you how much? Plus 1, actually. Yeah, how much? Quick.
Yes.
This much time you guys are going to take. 2 multiplied by 23 plus 1, that's equal to how much?
2 multiplied by 23, that's 26, 27. Sorry. 46, 47. That's 47.
47. No, good. 47. Right now. So after 47, 47 is also a prime number now, right?
Yes.
How about 2 multiplied by 29 plus 1? That's how much? Hmm. 2 multiplied by 29 plus 1 equals to 29 twos
49.
are 49. How's it? That's incorrect.
Sorry, 59.
59. Very good. So 59 is also prime number, right, Nafis? So all these numbers like 3, 5, 11, 23, 29, 3, 5, 11, 23, 29, all of these are such prime numbers. That is when they are doubled and when we add 1 to them, we get a prime number. Hope that's clear. Okay. Okay, I will need to clear this thing. Habib, do one thing, take a screenshot of this question in which you had doubt. Or should I send it to you?
So I have one more doubt.
You have, tell me.
It is
From the
it's
same
similar to
assignment,
that question.
From the same
Yeah, from
assignment?
that same assignment.
Okay, let me open that PDF. Yeah, go on.
It is if Guna placed treasures
At
at
14 and
14.
13, 5.
Yeah.
Would Jumpy be able to find them with a jump size of 7? Explain using the concept of factors and co-prime numbers. Okay. Nafis, you also would have received this question in your assignment, right? Okay. So if you have, open the latest assignment. Okay. That was sent on 26th or 27th, I suppose. 26 maybe. Okay. So question number 13, there it says that, let me write down the question. If Guna placed treasures at 14 and 35, right, Habib? No? And further, it states in the question, as I can see here, would Jumpy be able to find them with a jump size of 7? Suppose Guna had placed treasures at 14, getting it, everyone, at 14 and at 35. So will Jumpy be able to find them with a jump size of 7? Suppose Jumpy is taking jump size of
Yes,
7,
sir.
right? One jump is equal to 7. Okay, na?
7 to the
So
14
hmm,
and 7 5 to
two
35.
jump is 14. Three jumps are 21 and 28, and then five jumps are 35. Each
Yes.
jump here is equal to the number 7, no? 7,
Yes.
7, 7 over here. So will he be able to reach the treasure which are located at the number 14 and 35 if he takes the jump of 7? What do you guys think?
Yes, sir.
Right now? Habib, you also getting it now? Right? So Habib,
Yes.
Jumpy can actually reach the treasures located at 14 and 35 because both 14 and 35 are factors of 7 now. They are factors of 7, 7 twos of 14, 7 fives of 35. That is the reason here. Hope it is clear to you further. Okay. Further, we can also use the concept of co-prime numbers here also. Right now, co-prime numbers also. Okay. Tell me if that much is clear to both of you. Okay. So we should answer that.
Yes. Understood.
So Jumpy can reach the
Yeah.
treasures. Jumpy can reach the treasures because 14 and 35 both are factors of 7. Both are factors of 7. Okay. Let's do the question number 1 from the given exercise. Let's read quickly. So question says that find the prime factorization of the following numbers: 64, 104, and the following numbers. These are simple ones. Let's do them quickly. You guys will be doing prime factorization of only some of them. The remaining ones will be doing at home. So let's start with 243. Okay now? Yes, both of you do the prime factorization of 243.
243. That's.
You can use the factor tree method.
Wait, I guess I know this question.
In fact, we have done this question previously, Habib. Yes, Nafis, what about you?
Yes, sir.
What's the prime factorization of 243? Do it quickly.
Sir, it's 3 into
Hmm.
3 into 3 into 9.
Prime factorization should not include a composite number in it. Prime factorization is basically displaying a number as a product of its prime factors. Let me give one example. Like you have 105. So what I can do now? I can write it down as 5 multiplied by 21. Okay, 5 multiplied by 21. But the problem is 21 is a composite number. So further, I will have to break it down. So 21 can be broken down as the product of 3 and 7. So there we go. The prime factorization of 105 will be 5. This one here I'm going to pick up. I'm only going to pick up the prime factors and then multiply them. So 5 multiplied, hold on, 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. That is the prime factorization of 105. Getting it, everyone? Now, same thing you have to do for 243, right? You cannot get the prime factors in just one step. You
So,
can use
sir,
the
we
factor.
just have to write the prime numbers.
Yeah, you have to show it in the following manner.
So it's 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Like 4
Very
times.
good, very good. There you go. Okay, let me tell you, Habib, like how Nafis would have done it. See, you had 243. It can be written as 3 multiplied by 81. Can't we write it like this? Okay, now. How did I got to know this? I know that 243 is divisible by 3. I can divide it by 3. Why? Because in its units place, the number is 3. So when I divide it now, I found out that 243 will be able to divide it by 81. Okay, 81. Getting it. So can I not also write it in the following manner? 3 multiplied by 81 will be giving us 243, because the number by which it is getting divisible. So when it will be multiplied by the same number, I will be getting the same dividend here. So that's the thing. Now 81 can be further written as, quickly tell me. Quick.
9 right even.
Now 9 can be
But
further,
3 3s are.
and this also.
3 3s are.
but sir, 9 is not a prime number.
So that's why we further broke it down now,
Yes, sir.
like this. So hence the prime factorization of the number would be 243 equals to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and then 3 and then again 3. How many threes? Total 5 threes. In short, I can write it as 3 and 5 on its head. 3 raised to the power 5. Like this also I could have written it. Okay. So that's the prime factorization. Do the other ones quickly. I am going to give 1 to you, 141 to you, and 79 is for you, Nafis. Okay. Do it
Okay, sir.
as fast as possible. Abhi, rather than just thinking about it, please try to do it on the sheet of paper.
Yes.
You should just, once you get the question, just grab your paper and start doing it. No.
Yeah, I was just looking at question.
Okay.
41.
Sir, I think so I got the answer.
Yeah.
I
Tell me.
got the
Tell me.
3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So like 6 threes.
Very good. 3 is a 9, 9 is a 27, 27 is a 81, and then 243, and then 17, 29.
Yes.
Very good. So there you go. Okay. Can you do for 1331 also?
Oh, this one, it came in my review.
Oh, okay. Tell me. Quite
Sir,
interesting. Mhm.
yes, wait, sir. Mm.
Yeah, Habib, think of it like it can be divided by which number? What is the sum of the digits of 141? The sum of the digit
I
is?
found it like 47 is
Hmm.
a prime number, right?
Yeah, it is. It is.
So it is 41 threes are.
47 threes are, you mean to say? One.
47 threes are.
Very good. Very good. 141 equals to
Sir, I
3
got the
times
answer.
47. Hence, it is correct. Yeah, the answer is
It is 11 into 11 into 11.
exactly right now. This was 3 raised to the power 6, and this can be written as 11 raised to the power 3, like this. Well done, everyone. Okay. Now, question number 2, the prime factorization of a number has 1, 2, 2, 3. I think we have done this earlier,
No,
right?
sir.
No? Okay,
Which
let's.
one?
No, no, we haven't done this. There was a question of similar nature. Second question. The prime factorization of a number has 1, 2, 2 threes, and 1, 11. What is the number? So I think you should be able to do it actually. Hmm? What is question mentioning? 1, 2. How many threes are there? Yeah. How
2,
many
3.
threes? 2 threes. And how many? 1. Only? How many? 11. Only 1.
Um,
So I need to find the number here. How do I find it? Yeah. How do I find it?
sir, is it 198?
Yeah. Indeed, it is 198 now. 11 threes are 33, 33 is a 99,
Because
99
the
twos
same
are
question
120.
my father gave.
Oh, okay. In fact, I think I also gave you guys the same question previously. We have done this question in the past, I think. Habib, you seem
Maybe
to be
I can say.
little bit confused, I think, Habib. Mhm. Please tell me if there's something we are finding difficult to understand. Uh-huh. See, basically, suppose if I had only written the prime factorization, suppose in the question it was written that prime factorization of a number is 3 11s. What I said, the prime factorization of a number is 3 11s. Find the number. What would you do? You will write down the numbers, you will multiply them, and then you will get the number. So here you have been provided with all the prime with the numbers of in the prime factorization that were 1, 2, 2 threes, and 1 11. So you multiply them and get the answer. No? Move on to the next question. Quickly do the third question. Find three prime numbers all less than 30 whose product is 1955.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, some question you guys should be doing yourself as well.
Most products means we have to
Product,
multiply.
yeah, we have to multiply. Yes. First, you will write down all the prime numbers that are less than 30. Okay, now. So that are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. Hmm. Then you have 29, 31. Right after 31, you have got 37. not 37, like it should be below 30, no? So till 29 only. What happened to this?
Sir, I think so. I got the answer. 5 into 17 into 23.
5 into 70 into 23. Hold on. I doubt
17.
that like 23 might not be there, I think. What
So you
about
can,
you, Habib?
I'm
so
fine.
you can just multiply it and you will get the answer. 5 into 17 into
Okay,
23.
listen carefully. I have revised this thing for you guys in the last class also. The same thing I have told, and same question of similar nature we have done in the last class, in the previous classes. See, you have to find what? Like you have to find the prime numbers all less than 30 whose product is 1955.
I got it.
Okay, tell me.
So,
Is it 5, 13 and 29?
No, 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 no. Basically,
sir,
listen. Tell me.
sir, can you check my answer, please?
Tell me. Tell me.
5 into 17 into 23.
Actually, no. Why? Because 5 times 17 is 17 fives are 105, and then you are multiplying it by 23, right? So thereby 23, it will be 23 multiplied by 100 plus 23 multiplied by 5, so that is 2300 plus 23 into 5, that is 115. So that is actually 2415 now. But we have to get this number, so this one is not correct. It's not
Oh,
5, 17 and 23.
okay, sir.
The result should be
So
1905. Tell me.
is it 5, 13 and 29?
No. Let me conclude. Let me speak what I'm trying to say. Trying to say that suppose if this is a given number, let us suppose any number. Let's say 425. Okay. Now 425, I can write it in the following manner. What I can say, I can write it as 5 times 85. Isn't it? 5 times 85. Quickly tell
Yes.
me. Okay. Also, 425 is divisible by 5 also and by 85 also. Yes or no? I can divide it by both the numbers or not. Quickly tell me, both of you. Only if you are actually getting it. Just not.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Good. Nafis, you seem to be a bit confused. See, 40.
Sir, how are you getting 5 into 7? 105?
It's 5 into 17. 7. Oh, sorry. 17 fives are 85. No. Oh, my bad.
So,
My bad. Let me check that once again. So 85 times 23. So that's.
so you
Mhm,
will get 85.
mhm. So 85 times 20, that is going to be 1700, right?
I got it. It's
And that's
5,
going to be
17 and 23.
Yes,
it
sir,
is, it
sure.
is. Hmm.
Calculate.
Okay, then that's at 255. So yeah, that is 1955. Then that is correct. Okay,
Sir, I
Nafis.
was confused.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, what happened? I accidentally wrote 105. I should have written 85 here. Okay, thereby the calculation was mistaken. So it is correct. Further, we need to understand the concept here. As I saying that, gave an example like 425. It can be written as 5 multiplied by 85. So it is divisible by both of them now. So what I can do, I will just find all the numbers here that will be dividing 1955. I will try to find out such numbers first of all. So 5 will divide it. Okay. Next, will 7 divide it?
No,
No. 11?
no,
No. 13?
no.
13 won't?
Mm,
Will not divide it. Okay. Next, what about 17?
yes.
It will now. Getting it now. 17 1, so 17. And then you'll be taking again 17. Getting it. And then you'll be left with 85, 17, 5, 35. So yeah, it will be divisible. Like you can check it in the following manner: 1955, 17 versus 17, thereby you have 25, 17 versus 17, thereby you have 8, and you write down 5, 17, 5, so 85. So yeah, divisible by 17 also. Next, what about 19? Can we divide it by 19?
No, sir.
Think again and think carefully.
Okay, sir.
Like how? It's 19, no? No, because 19 when multiplied by 100 is 1900, but it's 1955. So 19 is not the right answer. Next, 23. 23 can divide 1955 now. Okay. So hence, these are the possible numbers. So these are the three prime numbers that is less than 30, which when multiplied gives you the number 1955. So we were able to find it out by the short and simple method that these numbers are going to divide the number over here. Hence, that is the answer. Getting it now, Habib and Nafis?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
Next question. Next question. Find the prime factorization of these numbers without multiplying first. Yeah, without multiplying first. Let me do one of the question for you guys. Like, let me do the B1. Okay. Here to say that you have 108 multiplied by 75. Okay, no? So without multiplying first, we need to do the prime factorization. Like, without multiplying means that like I'm not going to multiply these two numbers and then I'm going to do the prime factorization. Even without multiplying these two numbers, I'm going to do the prime factorization. So for 108, I can do the prime factorization now, right?
2 can come.
2 27 are 54, 3 9s are 27, and then 3 3s are 9, right?
Yes.
And for 75, it will be 5
75.
times 15, 5 times 3. So further, I can write it as follows. That will be for 108, I should write it as 2 times 2 multiplied by 3 times 3 times 3, like this. Okay, now?
Yes.
Let me erase this. Hold on.
Sir, can I do the C1?
Yeah, you can start doing it. And then I can write for 75 as 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, now? I have written 3 first because we should write it in the proper sequence. The smaller number first and then the bigger. So that is the prime factorization of 108 multiplied by 75. Also, I can write them together also. 2 multiplied by 2, right? Then let's write down all these 3 together. 3 3s over here and 1 3 over here. So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and 3 and this 2 5, like this. So how much do we have? Like 3 minutes are left. Do the question number 8 quickly. Habib, try to do it. Let's see if we can complete it today.
Sir, can I take a screenshot?
Yeah, sure.
that?
Why not? Take it.
Okay, wait a second.
Normally, you shouldn't be asking whether you can take it or you should just take it off. Take it. Okay.
No, not of this page. That page.
Which one? This one?
No, that assignment question.
Oh, I actually erased that. Habib, I erased that actually.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, at that time you should have actually taken it now.
Sir, I got the answer.
That is?
It is 2 into 2 into 2 for 1000. 2 into 2 into 2. No, wait. There is 3 2s and 3 5s.
3 2s and 3 5s.
Yes. And
Yeah,
for
that is correct.
80,
That is correct. 125 times 8. So that is 1000. Good. Next.
yeah. For 81, 3 into 3 into 9.
Why are you writing 9? 9 is a composite number now. You only have to write down the prime
So
numbers.
3 into 3 into 3.
That's 27 only. You have to take one more 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 3, 27. And then 27 into 3, that's 81.
3, yes.
In total, 4 3s have to be taken. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's it for today's class. You guys, Habib, what you will be doing now, you will start doing the question from the first exercise. Write down the solutions of all the questions. Wherever whatever you will find difficult, you will ask me in the next class. Okay. And Nafis, you also make sure that you are
From
maintaining
prime
the
time.
from this chapter. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so that's it for today's class.
Okay. Allah Hafiz.
Yes, sir.
Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, everyone. Yes, Abu Bakr, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, now let me have some water and then we will continue.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Yes, I'm back. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum Salam. You guys are in the 8th class. Now, accidentally, I have opened a different PPT. That is from the heat chapter of 7th grade. Okay. So we were doing the chapter microorganisms, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So in that we had, I forgot sometimes that you guys are in the 8th grade now. Okay. It's been a while that you guys. Your Manishas, have you joined the wrong link or are you in the same class?
Yes, sir. For me also, sir, they gave the link as the math class.
For you also?
Sir, for me, sir, like with the link, they say what class is it, right? So then they said they gave this link and then they said it is the math class.
Okay. So even
Sir, for me also, they said it was the maths class, but it's
okay. There's some confusion in the atmosphere. Huh? So I think we had done till the different groups of microorganisms, right? And we did learn about these things also. Okay. So Priyanka, we just revised all of this now. Right now for you, you had this class. Okay. So Priyanka, you do one thing. Since you're having your exam, you're having your exam tomorrow, right, Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that answer sheet which you have got from the school, do one thing, you memorize all the definitions. Okay, by the end of the class, I'm going to ask all the definitions from you. Okay, Priyanka,
Okay, sir.
that will be your task. Okay, but if you want to revise all of this, you can listen. Otherwise, you should be memorizing it. Okay. Okay, all of you give me just 1 minute.